Hello guys, my name is Alok Tripathi. Now I came with a next video and this is a part 2 of the CDC. So in this video we discuss how to create a CDC in Windows Server 2019. Guys, in last video we discussed CDCs stand for Child Domain Controller and it is used for to reduce the burden of DC machine. And now in this video we continue. So guys, to configure CDC, first we install the Active Directory domain service. Here I have installed successfully Active Directory domain service. After installation we provide this we promote this server. So now click on promote this server to a domain controller. Here open a deployment configuration and you see here three options. Add a domain controller to an existing domain, add a new domain to an existing forest, add a new forest. Guys, if you want to create a new domain, listen carefully. If you want to create a new domain controller or if you want to make this machine for a new domain controller, then you select this option, add a new forest. Guys, if you select this first option, add a domain controller to an existing domain, then you can use this machine as a ADC or RODC, means Active Directory domain controller or read-only domain controller. But if you select this option, add a new domain to an existing forest, then you make this machine as a CDC, child domain controller. So select on this, add a new domain to an existing forest. Guys, first you select parent domain, then click on here select. For select parent domain, parent name, click on select and here you give the parent username, means administrator at this one is my DC domain controller name, tripathi.com. Give the password, verify, and click on OK. Now this machine go to DC machine to verify if parent machine verify this machine, then parent name will be display here. Parent name will be display here. So guys, now you can see the parent name has been displayed here, and select and click on OK. Now here I am putting a CDC name, this machine. Here we define what is the child name means your CDC name. I am giving the name MANI. After this, click on next. Here you give the DSRM password. Then click on next. Again next. Here to show the CDC name, and you can change here CDC name also. Here guys, Here showing a CDC name, but after verify this, after the click on next, you unable to change a CDC name. If you want to change, then you can change here, otherwise just leave it, click on next. Here is the database folder, this is the database folder, this is log this folder, and this is vault folder. Click on next. Guys, here you can see review and click on next. Here prereq sites is checking here. Now all prereq site has been passed. Then click on install to continue installation of the CDC. Guys, after CDC installation, our machine will be rebooted. So till machine reboot, I am going to pause this video. Guys, here you see node 1 machine rebooted after installation completed. To continue, press Ctrl Alt Delete button. Guys, here you see when we create ADC or RODC, then display here the name of DC machine. But when the name of DC machine, but when we create the CDC machine, then display the name of the CDC machine. Now I am login with administrator. Guys, you can see the domain name will be displayed here as money.tripathi.com. Just opening it, and I am showing here. Windows Server Manager is opening. After opening, I will show here. So guys, this is a Server Manager dashboard. Click on local server. So guys, you can see the domain name will be displayed, money.tripathi.com. So now first verify, click on tools. and click the Active Directory user and computer. Now click the CDC machine that it is the replicate extend the domain name and click on user. Guys, now check the CDC machine that it is replicate the data with DC machine or not. Here you can see no anywhere displayed the user of DC machine. Now again I am creating the user in CDC machine. I am creating a user, new user, just name is next, give the password, click on next and finish. Guys, you can see I have successfully created the user and checked on DC machine to verify. Go on DC machine and verify it. Click on tools, active directory user and computer. Click on user. Guys, now you can see here DC and CDC machine never replicate the data with other. I have created a user on CDC machine, the name of Susil, but you can see here the no any user with the name of Susil. So guys, another example, I have another virtual machine, that's Windows 7, and I am login with and first connect with the domain. First of all, give the IP address of this machine. I am giving the IP address. One dot 10, and here preferred DNS server is DC IP address and alternate is CDC IP address. Click on OK and close. Now I am going to join with domain. Something went wrong. Actually, domain name is wrong. Click on OK. Now give the to verify, give the username and password. Click on OK. Now machine will be rebooted. So guys, machine has been rebooted. Now I am going to log in. First, the DC machine user. Click on switch user. Give the password. Password went wrong. Let's check what is the user of the DC machine. This is our DC machine, and here the user of Vivek. So I'm going to log in, reset the password. Now let's check. And let's check with another user. Now you can see successfully logging. Again, I'm going to log in with a CDC user. Log off. And what is the user of CDC already created? There's a name of Susil. So let's check. As you can see here, the username or password is incorrect. So what is the format to logging a CDC machine user? First of all, username @ then give the password. Now this is successfully login. So guys, for this way we create a child domain controller on Windows Server 2019. So guys, this is the last topic for the how to install a CDC in server 2019, I have create two video, part 1 and part 2. So if you want to learn that how to install a CDC in server 2019 and what is the uses and what and how to configure, so go through on my both video, part 1 and part 2. That's all guys. Please subscribe this video and like and share also.